Hey guys, my 2-minute conviction today is that teams who lack clarity soon after will lack motivation. One of my pet peeves as I work with different organisations and move around is that people get vision, mission, purpose all confused in their language. They don't understand the distinctions between each of those separate identities that make up their purposefulness. And maybe for a lot of you, you really don't care. I'm overthinking it. It's all semantics and we don't need to worry. But for most organisations, for most churches, schools, sporting clubs, businesses, even today it's popular to have personal vision and personal mission statements. You need clarity to fuel the fire of motivation. And so here's my really quick, simple framework for these identity statements in framing what it is that you are pursuing. Purpose is why you do what you do. Vision is where you're going. It's that picture of a future state that is more positive than where you're at today. Mission is what it is that you are called to do. Strategy is how you're going to do it. Goals are who and when things will get done. And values are what you believe in, the glue that holds it all together. And I think it's really helpful to not confuse those statements. So whatever team you're leading, in whatever leadership capacity you are seeking to have impact, think about the why, who, what, where, when, how of your identity and frame those statements with intent. And I think what that helps to do is it helps to give clarity to the people around you about what they have joined together to help achieve. And where there's clarity, there's motivation. It's inevitable you'll face obstacles, and when you have those challenges ahead, it's the motivation around your purposefulness that will help fuel you to go beyond. I hope that helps. That's my 2-minute conviction. Where there's clarity, there will be motivation. Have a great week.